me, Kiana. In today's video, I'm bringing you my updated everyday makeup routine. This video has been requested by several of you, so I want to make sure that I went ahead and got it up. One of the things that I love about this look, it's very, very versatile. You can add more things to it and take it more so toward the glam side, but at its core is a super duper put together look, but it's time saving as well. There are so many multi-purpose products that I use in this video, things that I use over and over, so I'm going to be sharing with you time saving techniques as well with this video. And yeah, this is the finalized result. Just as an added bonus, we finally have my website for liptricks.com up and available. So if you're loving this long wearing lipstick that you see here, which is one of my favorite nudes called Present, you can go to liptricks.com, place your order, and you should get it in, let's say, a week, girl. So you can totally have you a long wearing, comfortable, customizable liquid lip right at your fingertips. So without further ado, if you want to see how I pull this everyday makeup glam together, just keep on watching. Good morning, guys. Don't I look absolutely fantastic? Just kidding, but I'm going to in just a few minutes. As always, I'm spraying my skin with my Mario Badescu spray. Today I am using the cucumber spray, but there are several different sprays, and I typically like just to rub this in just to go ahead and accelerate my skin from being wet and going back to dry. But this is new, you guys. I am loving this e.l.f. Putty Primer. Oh my god, possibly the best primer ever, but definitely the best primer from the drugstore. Gives me a lot of tackiness. It allows every product that I use on my face to stay on top. Next, I'm going in to use the Melanie Mills. This is the Gleam Body Radiance. It is designed for all over your face, you guys. I'm using this as a foundation substitute. I'm using the shade Peach Deluxe. It typically matches my skin better, but if you're a little bit warmer in complexion than me, there are some that are warmer in complexion, and if you are a little bit lighter in complexion than me, guess what? There are some that are lighter. Just go to melaniemills.com, find your perfect shade, and trust me, thank me later. Next, I'm going to use a new concealer to my channel. This is the Mora Cosmetics concealer. So number 6, this concealer, I'm really impressed with it to be drugstore. I love the color of the concealer. I love how thick it is, and mostly I love how it just blends in. So again, I didn't do foundation all over my face, but I am going to set where I place the concealer using my No Color Powder, no surprise there, by RCMA. Everywhere there's concealer, you want to set, and I'm showing you this again. I'm tapping from the outer part of my face to the inner part. So that's a big tip that I want to share with you guys when you're setting your concealer, to make sure that you're not creasing and putting too much powder up under your face. And then I'm just going to buff all over my face with a Stilazzi Kabuki brush. This is the S409. Check the description box for coupon codes. Next, I'm using the Gilded palette. This one is by Ofra Cosmetics, and notice with that palette there are 4 different colors there. This is where we get into more of a minimalistic type approach to makeup, but this is a time-saving tip as well. I'm also using a double-ended brush by Stilazzi. This is the Face Sculptor brush. This is the S504, and I'm going to bronze my face with it. I'm going to highlight my face with it, and I'm going to blush with one palette and with one brush. You guys, time saving. There's no need to constantly pull products out of your makeup bag or to search your makeup drawers. This is just going to be a fast way to get all of those important components on your face really quickly, and it's really easy to keep in a makeup bag. And you should always have these products or something like this as core products for your face, because I mean, who leaves the house without blushing, and who leaves the house without highlighting? Next, I'm going to set my face with, this is the Endless Setting Powder by Mora. It is a refreshing, radiant finishing powder, and I'm just going to buff it over my face using a fat brush, again by Stilazzi. This is the Tapered Powder brush, the L315. I'm obsessed with this Endless Setting Powder. You notice I didn't set my face all over. I just kind of removed any of the powdery residue. Next, let's go into eyebrows. Of course, I'm using the Borderline Gel Liner by Stilazzi, but this liner applies smooth like a liner, but it also fills my brows in like a pomade. When I'm running out the door, I don't do like a harsh brow, although I do darken them up. I'm not overly concerned with how unfilled in they are, but I do want a good shape. So I just kind of speed through this, and I love that the Borderline Gel Liner, obviously it works as a liner, but again, best of all, it fills my brows in very, very nicely. And just kind of slap them on. Yep, brow. Let's move on. Let's go ahead and sculpt out underneath the brow, back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to what I call anchor the brow, which is just going to make it look a little bit more highlighted without having to do, you know, a 10-step eyeshadow process. So keeping it very, very clean, very simple, but still I'm very specific with the products that I'm using, and I'm very specific with where I'm applying them. So see, I just kind of clean that up. It still looks a little messy, which is good. It makes it look a little bit more natural. Yeah? No? Okay, whatever. This is not a brow tutorial. I'm just sharing with you what I do on a daily basis to get myself from looking like, oh my God, why? Next, I'm back into my Ofra bronzer palette, you guys. Okay, I am keeping this bronzer right below the crease of my eye just to kind of bring some shape back to my eyes from the concealer. This is an amazing trick. This kind of becomes a transition shade if you were going to enhance this look. I do like to pop it underneath my eye because I'm not going to wear a eyeliner this time, but I want to kind of, again, create a shape. I'm going to use a little bit of the blush. I'm going to use a little bit of the highlight. What? Out of the same palette. Yes, out of the same palette. Notice I didn't hunt for eyeshadows. Notice I'm only using one brush. Notice that it looks like I did more than you've seen me do. Yeah, this is a good enough look for me to get out the door extremely fast and not look like I didn't, you know, put in any effort. Next, this is another big tip. I have some pre-cut lashes from Ruby May Cosmetics, and that's why the box is empty. I'm using a lash or latex-free lash adhesive, so I can use these lashes over and over and over and over and over again without ripping them up. And I am applying mascara for my girls that just wear mascara, so you can kind of see that you can get away with just mascara. But I typically apply the lash adhesive before I do mascara so it can start to dry. And ta-da! We have my Lip Tricks lipstick today in the shade Present. Isn't that a beautiful nude, you guys? It's peachy, it's matte. It can actually be used as an ombre. You can use it as a lip liner. I'm obsessed with this color, honestly, which is why her name is called Present. Go to liptricks.com, use the code Makeup by Kiani, save yourself free shipping, and you know what, girl, just get you one, get you one. Now we're going back to lashes. My lash adhesive, after all that, is sticky enough that I can apply the lashes and really just kind of wiggle them on and have them stay. A brilliant trick. So if you guys are having difficulty applying lashes, this is one of the best tips I have. Putting the lash adhesive on and basically forgetting about it until you don't need to forget about it, right? Popping it on. So just mascara or a lash, either way, get yourself all put together and out the door. But if you're wearing mascara, don't forget the bottom lash, okay? Don't forget the bottom lash. Can you see the difference that it does, a natural lash makes though? And there you have the finalized result. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed my everyday makeup routine. It's the updated one. If you see me walking around town, this is what she normally looks like, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this with a friend you think might like it. And yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.